Division of rational algebraic expressions. A over B divided by C over D is equals to A over B times D over C is equals to A times D over B times C. Sample, x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Yung divide, kasi dito divide, naging multiplication, and then yung divisor ay kinuha yung reciprocal, which is the reciprocal of C over D is D over C, and proceed to multiplication. So, equals, copy muna ito, dividend, x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 3. So, divide, magiging times, and i-reciprocal natin ito. Yung denominator, magiging numerator, at yung numerator ay magiging denominator. So, that is x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 1. And then, kukunin natin yung kanilang mga factor. So, ano ang factor ng x squared plus 2x plus 1? So, ang factor ng x squared times 2x plus 1, so x squared, that is x times x, and yung 1, positive 1, ano yung factor ng positive 1 na kapag i-add natin ay magiging positive 2? So, yan ay 1 and 1. So, that is positive silang dalawa. So, next, dito naman, ano ang factor ng positive 3 na kapag i-add natin ay magiging positive 4? So, una, yung x. And ano yung factor ng positive 3 na kapag i-add ay magiging positive 4? So, yan ay positive 3 plus 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, dito tayo naman. So, katulad dun sa una kanina, so pareho lang. So, kopyahin na lang natin. X plus 1, x plus 1. And ito ay difference of 2 squares. So, kapag difference of 2 squares, kunin natin yung square root nito, yan ay x, and positive at saka negative, then yung 1, square root ng 1 is 1. And then, proceed tayo sa cancellation. I-cancel natin yung pwedeng, yung magkapareho. Tulad nito, x plus 1, x plus 1. Ito naman, x plus 1, at saka yung x plus 1. So, may natira. So, x plus 1 times x plus 1 over x plus 3 times x minus 1. So, pwede nating i-factor yan. Kunin natin yung product. So, we have x times x is x squared. Then, x times 1 is positive x. X times 1 is positive x. And 1 times 1 is positive 1. So, dito naman sa baba, x times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. 3 times x is positive 3x. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Then, combine like terms. Ito yung combine like terms. I-combine natin. So, we have x squared, x plus x is positive 2x plus 1. And x squared, negative x plus 3x is positive 2x minus 3. So, this is the answer.